Hey guys, so in the previous video, I showed you the extra tracking widgets you get with the King Arthur package. So in this video, I'm going to show you the extra compare and inspiration widgets you get with the same subscription. So we're going to go here to compare and go all the way to strategies backtest. So just bear with me. So here is the strategies backtest widget. And I'm sure you remember the widget strategy backtest from my last video that allows you to backtest the strategies to see what performance you would have achieved if you invested in that specific strategy. So with this widget, you can backtest two strategies and at the same time to make it easier to compare their past performance. As you can see here, we have two strategies. And here again, you can choose the time frame that you would like, as well as the preset times to choose from here. And of course, if you click on the X, you will get rid of a strategy, and to add the strategy, you just click on Add Strategy, and there makes it very easy to compare what's going on with both strategies. So then if you just move your mouse on the graph for the date you're on, you'll see a pop-up window showing the date, the strategy names, and the performance on that date, either in absolute terms or percentage-wise. As you can see here, easy as that, very easy to use as well as read. So let's head to the inspiration section and go all the way down to newsfeed. Again, with King Arthur, you do get a lot of widgets. So just, I'm going to scroll down to newsfeed, as you can see here. And as you guys know, nowadays there are so many media offering, market news, that there's so many websites to visit for you to really get a really great comprehensive understanding of what's happening and getting all the different opinions from all the different reporters. Then in each media source, you need to look for the matter that interests you most and that you want to study in order to make that informed decision that you have to make. So the newsfeed widget makes the job so much easier, as in all that information, all the most important and prestigious media talking about markets and investments are consolidated together in one place, right? So it's such a great widget, saves you time, energy, and as you can see here, under search, you can easily look for what you're interested in to study and display the previews of the most trending news for your topic and covered by that different media. So if you're not sure about what to search for, honestly, don't worry, because inspired by Merlin here, it's a filter. You can display all the news related to those assets which are the most trending within the Merlin community, or you can also use the favorites filter to search for those assets you previously flagged as favorites. Then as in the widget, you'll see a preview of the article here which interests you. You just honestly click on it. It's that easy, and it'll take you to a different window to read the whole entire article. So very easy to use and very easy to read again. So let's head down to the economic calendar here. Everything is here on the economic calendar. So there's tons of market related events and news that are planned to be released and affecting the performance of the market, right? So it's almost impossible to remember them all together with the date and time when they are planned to be disclosed. So obviously Merlin was like, okay, we really need this widget. It'll be really helpful. And that's why Merlin's economic calendar came to life. In this widget, for each day of the year, you can see events related news that are expected to be released, clearly positioned on a specific date and time. Then if you click on the preview, you'll, a pop-up will display, as you can see here, with the full name of the event and a link where you can go to learn more. So you just click on it and you'll be redirected to a separate window where you'll also be able to read the full event article. You also have the possibility to see the calendar on a weekly or monthly basis. So you can see here, it's week or month. You can also click on the filters to choose those categories you want to display. You can see here. Last, on the top left side, you can even look for the news related on that specific asset, which is so cool. Just pick the assets down here. In other words, you have so many options to keep track and drive directly into the type of events and news you are interested to monitor in order to stay on top of your investments. With this video, you now have a full picture over all the widgets you get with the King Arthur subscription to unleash the full power of the Merlin platform. Now it's honestly really up to you to make the most and best of it to become the expert investors you've always wanted to be and build your own path to financial freedom. So if you guys found this helpful, always just remember to subscribe to our channel and to keep up with more videos to just be the best at this platform and make the most of your investment.